Bonjour, welcome. Today we want to clean our iron box. Look at that. I want to give you the easiest method you could use right at home to clean your iron box. Karibuni sana. With me I have 2 tablets of Panadol. You can see them. Then I have something to smash them. There we go. So we want to make this into powder form, right? We go. Great. I have what I wanted. Let me show you. Here's my powder form. So what you do, you heat your iron box, right? That is what I want to do right here. I want to switch on the power. There we go. Switch it on and allow it to heat up. You swipe it on the powder. See what is happening? It is already coming out. Can you see that? I guess I can now wipe. So wipe it like that. Far much better than it was. Siri, see, hey. Thank you very much. Thank you for visiting. God bless you. Bye.